Want to effortlessly handle Excel data in Python for your projects? Let's dive into using openpyxl to read and write data to Excel files, making your workflow faster and more efficient. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to install openpyxl, reading the data from an Excel file, writing data to an Excel file, modifying an existing Excel file, saving the Excel file with changes. We'll be using Jupyter Notebook and VS Code, but feel free to use any IDE of your choice. First, we need to install the openpyxl library. Open your terminal or your Jupyter Notebook and run pip install openpyxl. This installs the necessary library to work with Excel files. Once it's installed, we can start using it in our scripts. Let's start by opening an existing Excel file and reading the data from it. Here is how. This loads your Excel file. The wb.active gets the active sheet in the workbook, while this reads the value from the cell A1. This is where you access the data from the file. Make sure your file exists in the same directory as your script or provide full path. Now let's write some data to an Excel file. Here is how. This assigns a new value to the cell B1. While here, this saves the changes you made to the file. This is where you will insert or modify data in your Excel file. Let's create a new Excel file from scratch. The workbook method creates a new workbook. While these are used to write data to the file, this saves the newly created file. Want to update an existing file? Here is how you do it. You can modify any cell in the existing Excel file and save the changes. Let's say you want to append data to a new row. Sheet.marks_row gives the number of the last row with data, while this finds the next empty row. Then we insert the data into the new row. After making all these changes, always remember to save your workbook. While openpyxl doesn't require you to explicitly close a workbook in the same way as other libraries, it's good practice to make sure all changes are saved properly. A close method ensures the workbook is saved and all resources are freed up. That's it for now. You've learned how to read, write, and modify Excel files using openpyxl. Click on the subscribe and like the video so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. In our next tutorial, we'll be adding more features like formatting cells and working with multiple sheets. So don't miss it.